We shall now run the X-block system with a standard speed regulator of valve model. That means we are adjusting the airflow into the cylinder, not opposite, as a standard speed regulator. With this application is now the X-block or the minus side of the cylinder only depending on the compression inside the tank volume of the X-block system. The return stroke is now depending on the pressure from the X-block. But when we still increase the speed for the plus movement, we also increase the speed for the return stroke. That's depending on how the speed regulator are built inside. In many applications we only need a single speed regulator of valve model for adjusting the speed for the plus movement and the return stroke. But it's still easier to use a dual speed regulator to adjust the speed for the forward and for the return stroke. How the speed regulator is reacting as a very slow movement forward and the return stroke. Now we start to increase the speed and we can also see that we increase the speed for the return stroke. As we see in this case, the X-block connection is from the minus side of the cylinder to the tank volume, this one, up to the X-block. The X-block is set to 1 bar, and in this case the movement for the return stroke is free, because we are not refilling the system with new air for the X-block. We can now increase the pressure for the X-block . And look at the speed for the return stroke. And we can see in this case the compression inside the system. We shall now increase the speed more, and we look at the result. We have now changed the tank volume to a very small tank volume.